I'm committed to providing the Women's Center with the resources needed to deliver on its mandate to have the girls complete their secondary education.
That commitment will be facilitated by a $25 million allocation in the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports capital budget this fiscal year. This $25 million will be used to construct a Women's Center of Jamaica Outreach Center in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. The facility will boost the enrollment of adolescent mothers and increase the number of teen mothers being reintegrated into the formal school system. But this is just one way in which government will be supporting vulnerable women and girls this fiscal year. $527.1 million has been earmarked in the recurrent budget to support agencies that develop and implement policies and programs that fight inequality, discrimination, and gender-based violence.
You have my commitment as your Minister of Gender Affairs to continue working at the interministerial level and to do my part in my personal space, as well as with the strength of my team to tackle head-on the monster of gender-based violence.
Sports development is another area of focus for the ministry this year. $897.3 million has been set aside to continue the promotion, development, and implementation of sporting activities at the community and parish levels. Of that amount, $373.6 million will be used to support the management and maintenance of two national sporting facilities, Independence Park Limited and the Trelawney Stadium. $149.5 million will go towards the operations of the Institute of Sport, which is responsible for coordinating and developing sporting programs at the community and national levels. Another $150.1 million will help organizations purchase and distribute sporting equipment to clubs, primary schools, and other community and sporting enterprises.
We understand the value of sports in the process of national development, and we are determined that sports must play a part in delivering prosperity to the Jamaican people.
To help deliver on this commitment, $214 million is earmarked to support the anti-doping program of the JADCO. Another $9.2 million will support the Anti-Doping Disciplinary and Appeal Tribunal, while $589,000 will fund Jamaica's contribution to the World Anti-Doping Agency.
Keeping sport clean for us here in Jamaica is a must. The matter begs no debate. Our sporting performances must be untarnished. It must be so to protect the gains that we have made and to safeguard the integrity of those future gains.
Government has also earmarked huge portions of the recurrent budget to the culture and entertainment sectors.
Everything is gonna be all right. Everything is gonna be all right.
Support will go towards the Entertainment Policy and Management Division of the Ministry, which is responsible for the development of the entertainment sector. And $2.3 billion will continue the promotion of our art and culture. Of this amount, $1.8 billion will be used to identify, preserve, and display local heritage, while $66.9 million will provide assistance to culture agencies that develop, protect, and preserve Jamaica's tangible and intangible heritage.